Hi, this is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. Guys, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about local variables, and we came to know that if we declare any variable, dictionary or tuple, set, etc. or list, etc. in the body of a function, that becomes local to it, which is also called private. But now we will learn about global variables. Now, what do we mean by global variables? A global variable is a variable which is accessible in all the functions.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Right. So in all the functions, that global variable can be accessed. Now I will tell you how to use it. This is our main part. So the first thing you will do is you will write gvar. Gvar is the name of the global variable. It could be anything. I have just taken a name. Gvar is equal to 9000. So this is nothing else but declaration of global variable. Now it has been declared in the main section. This is your main section that I have highlighted. So after that, what is happening is I am calling this function first. The control will go into the first function. This is our first function, and here I will mention global gvar. So by writing here global gvar, I'm just giving the indication that I want to use this global variable gvar, right? So when I would write gvar plus is equal to 1000, the current value of gvar was 9000. So gvar plus is equal to 1000 is going to make it 10,000. So the new value of gvar will be 10,000. Let me tell you one thing, that all the functions which are going to access this global variable gvar, whenever they will try to access it, they will get the changed value, that is 10,000. Please try to understand that there is not going to be different copies of gvar in the different functions. There is going to be only single copy of the global variable, and it will be shared by all the functions. If any function happens to change the value of this global variable, that will be for all the functions, right? So here I am printing the value global variable gvar. Of course it will be printed as 10,000. Now again the control will come back to the main, because the execution of the function first has finished. Now it will come to this place, and here we are calling the function second. Now the control will go into the second function. Here also I have got the value of gvar printed. Of course it will be 10,000. Now you can see in the function second, nowhere I have declared the variable gvar, or there is no need to, because I'm just going to print its value and it will be accessed because it is a global variable. So after that, again the control will return back here in the main part, and here I will get the value of gvar printed. Again it will be 10,000. So what I have explained is a global variable is accessible in all the functions, and if a function changes its value, that change will be reflected in all the functions. So right mouse button, go to run. Yeah, here is the value of global variable. In the first function 10,000, in the second function also 10,000. When it came back to the main part of the program, again it was 10,000. So this is the concept of global variables.